Good morning, everyone. We're at Disney, and I thought I would take some time to show you the packing cubes. These are some of the ones that I use. I have two sets. This one is a compression packing cube. You can see I left this one closed. And what you do is you put your clothes in like this, and then there's a second zipper that you go around, and you're able to condense it about a little bit over an inch or more to make it easier to pack in your suitcase. This is another one that I use. This one has a clear window so you can see what's in it. It also gives you suggestions as to what to pack in it. So this one you can do underwear, socks, bras, bathing suits. I have a overlay, like a lounging gown in there too, so that one packs a lot of stuff. This is for my makeup and things like that. Toiletries and makeup goes in here. And this one is for my hair care products. This is the packing cube, and it's not really a cube. This is the one where we got the bikes, and I said I'll show you what I'll do with it later. So a lot of times if I get things that come in little sacks like this, I will take it and make it a packing cube. It contains all of my things easy, and it's got a nice plastic top so I can see what's in it, and it contains it, so it's great. This one here is for my jewelry. Okay, so I'll show you what it looks like to unzip this one. So you don't have to unzip the second one because that's your compression, but you can unzip this one, and I'll show you how many things I have in this cube. Oh, hold on. Okay, so in this cube I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sweaters in this cube. And you can see when I opened it how it puffed up, right? So that makes it a lot easier to put into your suitcase, to condense everything down. It doesn't make the suitcase lighter, but it definitely makes it easier to put your clothing in. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you. I love my packing cubes, and then I take them when I get to the hotel. I can unpack the suitcase, and it fits very nicely in the drawer. No fuss, no muss. And I'm able to put it right back in my suitcase without any issues. And this stuff I leave in the bathroom because obviously it's hair care and my toiletries, so that goes in the bathroom. And we hope that you learned something from this, and if you want to order them, I will put the links down below. Please ask questions, please make comments. Maybe there's a way that you pack that you enjoy. Make it easier for you. For me, it makes it easier so that I don't have to have as many suitcases because I tend to overpack. I will admit that. So this condenses it down for me and makes it easier. So we hope that you guys are gonna have a great day. Enjoy. Now look at our beautiful view because we're at Disney and we're about to have a good time. Can you guys see that? That's the pool. Maybe I'll go outside. Pretty cloudy, but it's gorgeous. Again, we're at Bay Lake Towers. So, all right, guys. See you soon. Bye.